Hello, welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Whittle. Now, Auto Trail have been synonymous with Native American names throughout its history, and this one is no different, the Dakota. This one's a 3-litre diesel, semi-automatic, and it has been recently reupholstered. Why don't you take a look inside? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you subscribe, or better still, come and see us at TMD Motorhomes in Whittle.